Hello, today I'm testing aircraft designs system. It contains a couple of new modules. This whole system is designed to be your mastering aid. Contains all the basic blocks of any mastering channel like equalizer, stereo compressor of course, and our famous stereo saturator. I found an old track I recorded, a one-take recording from like 5 years ago. I will just try to kind of remaster that and see if that improve overall sound. I will start with some equalization, add some lows and highs. Then some compression. Quite aggressive. I'll leave some space for the kick transient. So far so good. Adding saturation. A bit much. I'll clean up some lows here. Good. Let's compare. It's a bit louder, but that's how mastering works. You have to get your stuff a bit louder. Thank you, that's all for today. See you next time.